Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a very simple, easy and quick DIY which will treat your pimple and acne. Guys, first I'll tell you why pimple comes on our face. हमारा जो skin होता है उसके ऊपर tiny सा holes रहता है which are called pores and that can become blocked by oil, dirt or any kind of infection. So whenever this occurs, you may have pimple or zit. Pimple को zit भी कहते हैं. And if your skin is repeatedly affected by this condition, you may have pimple or acne. Pimple is a part of acne. It can be caused due to hormonal changes in our body. Sometimes it causes due to excessive makeup. Today I'll be sharing with you a very simple yet effective DIY. Guys, मैं यहाँ पे बहुत ही कम ingredients यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं 2 ingredients यूज़ करूँगी और इसका जो main ingredients है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा effective है and इसमें एक burning sensation भी होता है. तो I suggest you guys, अगर आपको कोई भी एलर्जी है तो पहले आप इसको आपके चिन के नीचे या बैक ऑफ ईयर्स आप इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है उसके बाद ही आप इसको फेस में अप्लाई कीजिए. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
So here is the main ingredient of this DIY. This is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon heals acne. The antifungal and antibacterial properties of cinnamon makes it useful against acne and skin blemishes. It also can help remove acne by drying out the skin and by supporting blood flow to the skin. And the second ingredient we're gonna use is honey. Honey is used to treat burns and fungal infection. So here I'm taking a pinch of cinnamon powder and then I'll add honey. The ratio should be 3:1. If you are taking 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder, then you have to add 3 tablespoons of honey. The main reason for using honey and cinnamon to treat acne is because it can help to kill bacteria and contribute to inflamed pores. Then I'll add few drop of rose water. If you don't have rose water, यहाँ पे आप plain water भी use कर सकते हैं. So now I'm applying it all over my face and after 10 minutes I will wash it with water. Though I don't have any pimple on my face, but just to show you guys I'm applying it. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा acne या pimple की problem है, then you can keep this mask on your face overnight. But remember one thing guys, don't apply it on all over your face. Just apply it only on your acne or pimple and next morning wash your face with a good face wash.
Guys, here I want to be transparent with you. Sometimes it happens आपके जो acne होता है वो आपके स्किन के ऊपर एक दाग छोड़ जाता है. ये जो DIY है उससे आपका दाग नहीं जाएगा. It only helps in treating your acne or zit. अगर आपको दाग रिमूव करने के लिए कोई DIY चाहिए तो उसके लिए I can make another. Hope acne prone skin people will be helpful with this video. और वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को कर दीजिए एक लाइक. और अगर आपको इस टाइप की और भी DIY देखना है और कोई टिप्स जानना है तो मेरे चैनल को कर दीजिए सब्सक्राइब. So I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, bye bye.